How to use Roblox Trading to get rare items. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is get into your Roblox and simply log into your account, right? So in there, after doing that, here you need to know that you should actually have your Roblox Plus in order to get this rare item. So in here, simply click on this Roblox Plus option that you'll be able to see on the left hand side. Click on that, and in here, what you're going to do is you can simply try it out for free for about a month. So simply click on that one, and then you can select which plan you want, and after doing that you can click on the option purchase, and then you can go along with the process of how you'll be able to purchase it. So simply add down your payment method and complete that process. After doing that, now what we're going to do is simply click on the option of trade items. So for that, you can get to your home page just like this, and then from here what we're going to do is again, let's get into our Roblox Plus. And in your Roblox Plus there, after buying it, you'll be able to see a 3-dot bar. Click on that one, then click on trade items. Then from there you can add your items you want to trade, and if needed you can include some Robux balance to trade. After doing that, you can review and click make offer and wait for other player to accept or decline, and just like that you'll be able to use your Roblox Trading to get rare items.